This time Ta-K will make a chef's hat.
Oh. It's exciting.
Here is the blueprint for the hat. Prepare a piece of A4 paper and cut it into 7 cm long and 10 cm wide pieces. Then make horizontal cuts at 1 cm intervals, leaving 2.5 cm and 2.0 cm open on both sides. To compare the cuts width, make one 0.75 cm apart and 1/2 centimeter apart.
When I'm working at my desk, my cat Anzu comes over to help me.
Make 3 types of hat embellishments. Glue the embellishments to the hat. Apply glue to the 2.0 cm end of the glue allowance. Form it into a round cylindrical shape and glue the ends together. This will make 1/2 centimeter, 0.75 centimeters, and 1 centimeter hats. He made hats of 1/2 centimeter, 0.75 centimeters, and 1 centimeter, and there did not seem to be much difference between them. It would be unbalanced if they were any smaller or larger in width. Cover the chicken bone with the hat. In this case, he will use fried chicken wings. For the fried chicken recipe, please see the previous YouTube, the recipe details in the description.
In the case of chicken legs, I think it would be better to make the copy paper 15 cm by 9 cm instead of 10 cm by 7 cm, so that you can adjust it to fit the size.
Make tulip-shaped boiled eggs for garnish. Garnish with parsley and you are done. It is a simple and fun dish. Please try it all. He will continue to make various dishes, so if you like, please subscribe to this YouTube. It is easier than you think and tastes excellent. I hope you will try making it.
Wow!
Thank you very much for your watching.